Using the figure on the right, name the following terms related to circle A. Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, and in this video we are going to learn terms related to circle. We are also going to familiarize some symbols to use to represent those terms, and we are going also to learn how to name them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so from the direction, we are going to name the following terms related to circle A. So, where is circle A? Obviously, this is circle A. And why is it called circle A? It is called circle A because of its center point, which is point A. So, we name circle by its center point. So now let's go to number 1, a radius. Which do you think is a radius? Can you name a radius? Okay, so that's line segment JA, or that's line segment AJ. JA, JA. Okay, so that's line segment. Another, can you name another radius? Okay, very good. That's line segment AN or NA, from here to there. That's AN, line segment AN. Another one. Okay, very good. That's line segment EA or line segment AE. Line segment EA or AE. So that line segment is a radius. So from the given examples, we have line segment EA, AN, and JA. How can you define a radius? Okay, very good. So a radius is a line segment from the center of the circle to a point in a circle. So this is the circle and it touches a point in the circle. So that's a radius from the center to any point of a circle. AN is also a radius because from the center to any point of the circle. AE or EA is also a radius because from the center to the point of a circle. Now let's go to number 2. What is a diameter? So as you can see, an example of a radius is line segment JA, right? So what happened if you extend line segment JA to the other side of a circle? You can extend it straight, right? So that one here. So from J to E, and it passes through the center point. So that is called a diameter. So an example of a diameter then is line segment JE. Is there another diameter that you can see? Is line segment LE a diameter? Of course not. Why? Because it does not pass through the center. A line segment which touches the opposite side of a circle that passes through the center is a diameter. Okay? So how do you call then LE? It touches 2 points in a circle, but it does not pass through the center. It is called chord. Okay? Line segment LE or EL is a chord, simply because it touches 2 points in a circle. Another chord that you can see, NE. Very good. Line segment NE or EN is a chord. How about line segment JE? It touches 2 points in a circle, but the other thing is it passes through the center, and that's why it's called diameter. Is a diameter a chord then? Yes, very good. Diameter is actually the longest chord in a circle. No, but not all chords is a diameter because it is a special chord. It passes through the center. Okay, so now let's go to semicircle. Comes from the word semi, which means half of a circle. So where is the half of a circle? So this one. If a diameter cuts the circle, it creates a semicircle. So that's arc arc J L E or E L J. So that's how you name a semicircle. The symbol is like a frowning lips, and then three letters: J, the first point, then the middle point, and then the end point of the semicircle. Or you can do the reverse from E L J. Do you have another semicircle? Yes, of course. That's J N E. Arc J N E or E N J. So sorry for my pen. I could not trace the circle well, so that it makes, not so good. Okay, but yes, just follow the original drawing. Okay, so that's the semicircle. So how about, okay, I'll erase them. So if JLE is a semicircle and it's an arc, how will you call NE? When in fact, it is not a semicircle, but still it is an arc. Well, that is what we call a minor arc. Arc NE is called a minor arc. How about a major arc? What is a major arc? So if we extend EN to NJ, it becomes semicircle. But if we pass through, then it becomes a major arc. So therefore, arc ENL is an example of major arc. So what is the difference between a minor arc and major arc? The difference between them, aside from calling or naming them, we name minor arc with 2 letters only, but major arc we name them in 3 letters. So the difference is that minor arc is less than a semicircle, but major arc is greater than a semicircle. Can you see? Oh, I'll try, yes. So ENL is a major arc and EN is a minor arc. Do you still see any major arc? Yes, of course. And that is arc E, the starting point. Then the middle point is, it can be L or J. Just choose one. So I'll choose J. Where is it? It's gone. Okay, J. And then the last one, it will end from here to here, N. How about another minor arc? Of course, that's from E to L. So arc E L or L E. Okay, so again, to name a minor arc, just use 2 letters, and to name a major arc, use 3 letters. Start point, middle point, and then the end point. Do not interchange them, but you can do the reverse from this one. L, N, E, and E, N, L are just the same. Okay, now let's go to central angles. So what do we mean by central angles? So these are angles formed where its vertex is at the center. When we say vertex, if this is an angle, the vertex is this one, where the 2 segments meet. Okay, this is one segment, and then the other segment, they meet each other at a certain point, and that is called vertex. Okay, so, or which angles formed by the intersecting segments is or are called central angles. Again, central angles, the vertex is at the center. So all you need to do is look at the center point and trace an angle using the line segment which meet at the center. So this line segment JA and line segment AN. So this angle here. So that's angle angle JAN. Okay? The vertex should always be at the center, or you can name it as NAJ, and this symbol is like a less than symbol which represents an angle. Okay, another example of central angle. We have angle NAE. Very good. That's NAE. Because the vertex is at the center. So how about this angle? LE2 EJ. Where is its vertex? It is in the circle. So how do you call that? Of course, that is called angle. LEJ is an inscribed angle. Okay? So do you have any other inscribed angle in circle A? Yes, we have angle LEN. So because its point lies in the circle, the vertex lies in the circle, and the points there LEN. or N-E-L. Another one, you can also have J-E-N. That's it. Okay? So, we have already named and defined the related terms, so I hope you familiarize now, but if not, you can play this video again over and over again until you can familiarize. And don't forget to use the symbol. We use this as line segment, we use this one as an arc, and this one as an angle. Okay? And we name radius, diameter, and chord using 2 letters. We name semicircle using 3 letters. And we name minor arc using 2 letters, major arc 3 letters, central angles and inscribed angles 3 letters, or you can use 1 letter, just the vertex. But to be specific and more particular, use 3 letters, so it would be easier to trace. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Love lots. Bye-bye.